Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. WhatsApp is rolling out a new feature that lets you pin a message to the top of the window in individual and group chats. Let's see how to do this. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the chat conversation where you want to pin a message. Now long press the message you want to pin. And tap the three dots from the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Pin. Now choose how long you want to pin the message, and then tap Pin. And the message will now appear just below the person's name. WhatsApp lets you pin only one message at a time. If you pin another message, it will replace the current pin message. When you tap on the pin message, it will take you to that message. To unpin a message, long press on it. From the drop-down menu, select Unpin. And the message has been unpinned. So in this way, you can pin a message on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.